Alright, what's up guys? So today is the big day. We are finally moving into a new garage. Long time coming. But so this is actually not the garage we're gonna be wrapping, or we are gonna be wrapping the cars in here for now. But see all this land right here? We're gonna be building a 3 to 4 car garage here and give ourselves a little bit more space to work on cars. But yeah, so we upgraded to a 2 car, a lot more space, so I'll be able to really get some better content out for you guys. But yeah, so right now, cleaning up the garage. We kind of already did a little bit, just kind of cleared all this area out. Swept on this, oh, almost fell. Swept on this side. And so we're about to actually get the car ready for clean edition tomorrow. So that's what we're going to be doing right today. We're going to be vacuuming out the car, then we're going to be getting the detail later. As you guys can see, this thing is super dirty right now. Yeah, it's super dirty right now, but we're going to get that all squared away. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys what we're working on. So yeah, so we're going to work on vacuuming the whole car. Not that dirty, but definitely could use it. And then the detail later will really put the icing on the cake. But yeah, let's get to it. And we're also going to be moving more of this stuff around. Probably try to find a better place for the trash cans and probably throw this table away. I don't know, put this somewhere else, not in the garage, so we have more space. And then all this is going to go somewhere. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll be washing the car today, getting it prepped, ready for the show. And this will go in tomorrow's video for the show. So everything is bunched into one video. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Basically gonna be just getting the car ready. And yeah. So I'll show you guys once we're done vacuuming inside the car and when we're washing it. So you guys can see, as you can see right now, it's definitely dirty. But yeah, we're gonna get this all cleaned up today. Sheesh. All right, guys, so we got the car all vacuumed out. Now we're about to take the car to get detailed. Just had to get all these leaves and shit out. We got most of them, pretty much, for the most part. Vacuumed out the inside. Just got it a little bit. Got a ticket for the G. Throw this trash away. We're just about ready for the show. Just after we get the detail, we'll pretty much be ready to go. But yeah, so probably gonna go back to the old garage, start grabbing a few more things just to transfer over. Got a lot of stuff to bring, but and all this gotta go. But yeah, so we'll be bringing the vinyl wraps over here, all the colors. I'm trying to set it up some way that I can put them on the wall. I haven't figured out how I'm gonna do it yet, but I'd like to show some of the colors off at least. Want to put a TV up there, you know, just try to do a little bit more. So now that I finally have the space to do it. But yes, but we'll get there. Not really too worried about it. Getting this garage, we want this to look nice still, but at the end of the day, our plan is to get a big garage right here, and that will definitely be coming soon. Once we get situated and, you know, finally moved in, then we'll really be able to take it to that next level. But probably we'll be doing the hexagon lights in here, probably a few straight bar lights on the garage doors, and probably add a few outlets. Maybe I want to do the epoxy on the floor, but I might hold off on it till we get the garage so we can do it in that, or we might do it in both. You never know. So that's what we're working on now. But I will actually be indoors in the VIP section, indoors in the stadium. So that's actually where I'll be parked. And I also will be, you know, doing a quick walk around, show you all the bills there. A couple key bills that I like personally. But yeah, so a lot more to come for this video. Stay tuned. And we actually have an update for the Z. Wide body kit will be here Monday. So stay tuned for that. As soon as that comes in, I will be working on getting that on the car. A lot more things that come for the Z. I still got to get the Nismo side skirts. Still got to get, a carbon hood. A lot of things that's coming to the Z. But I mean, it's all going to come. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. So we're about to go get this wash and get this car completely ready for the show. And then we're going to park it up for the night. That bitch crazy.
Don't do the wheels when I suck it.
Sheesh. That thing look crazy.
Hey, it's hydrophobic, man. Whatever you have on this, is it the same thing that I put?
No, I ceramic coated it after I wrapped it. Sheesh. Detailer got the wide body, full wide body kit. Same one as a thick scat, I think, with the lavender wrap now. He had that one red wrap, I can't remember. But yeah, get me right now. Washing that thing down.
You see that?
What?
Hey, could you do me a favor and move this up there?
Oh, move it up?
Yeah, because my dad's about to take the Jeep, I think.
There, yeah, I can do that.
Two.
Like mine even looks crazy with it up like that. Definitely gotta lower it.
That's because you're used to seeing it hanging like almost all the time.
Hey, chill out. Yes, sir. All right, so as you guys can see, G's still dirty, but the Q is all ready to go for the show tomorrow. It's all cleaned up, wheels dressed up, everything is touched up. We're just gonna probably wipe it down tomorrow morning just to make sure we get all that nasty stuff off of there. It's about an hour drive to Bowie, so we probably have to wipe it down, but it is majority clean, and that's the most important part. But yeah, hopefully we can get a trophy tomorrow. Alright guys, so we just pulled up to Clean Edition, just getting some gas. Gas out here $5. Do-Ray pull up in the Huracan. Where you at? I think I forgot all my rags. I forgot all my rags. I gotta wash last night, but it's low-key rain. Alright, we're about to head over there, wait for the Huracan. And then, yeah.
Arrive at Bowie Bay Sox.
Alright guys, so we pretty much got this thing all wiped down. So basically almost ready for the show. We're gonna walk around later and see if we can find dude with a gray Q50. See him. Yeah, I think they're gonna actually park. I think they're gonna actually park the Lambo we came with in VIP in the middle. But yeah, we basically got this car all wiped down, ready to go. Do a little quick walk around real quick. I don't know, guys. I'm thinking about changing the color, but I might not. Alright, yeah, so we got the car pretty much ready to go. Looking good. Still got a couple more places to wipe down. They're right here. Alright, yeah, so pretty much. Damn, this sucks. first rock chip. But yeah, we're all ready to go. I already wiped it down. Got the colors out. But yeah, so I'll walk around, show you guys some of the bills of the show. The queue is definitely looking up to par. I actually just found out that they're doing a top 5 VIP. So shit, we could win something for that. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. It's a Z right there with the Rocket Bunny kit, which is pretty fire. That wide body. Sheesh, look at those specs on those wheels. But yeah, so waiting for everybody to pull in. The show doesn't start for another, I don't know what time it is. I think it's like 9:30. But I think it starts in like the next hour or so. Sequential's going out. Dang. I had to get a new sequential. GTR, you can see my boy in the Lambo. They parking it right in the middle of the front. Right through them gates. Kinda hard to tell. GTR. Definitely crazy. Same one.
I started editing it, I was like, I don't like the way that, cause it just looked like.
That's the hardest part.
Yeah, I was like, so I was like,
You know what I start? I just start. I throw all the clips together the way I want it, cut out what I need, and just post it. I don't even think about it, cause I would just do it, cause like 9 times out of 10, it either get a lot of views or it don't. So I ain't really going to stress about it. Yeah, you were supposed to tell me VIP. Sheesh. I don't know who's gonna win that top 5. Sheesh.
That ass too good.
Good God. They sound crazy. Dang. Look at this trunk. I ain't never seen no trunk like this.
but I don't know how I feel about it.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about it. Okay, shorty. This thing looks crazy. Yeah, my boy getting moved up. Yes, sir.
See, we're gonna put them kind of like in front of you. So if you want, just move up to the front, like around here, and then that way we can just get everything quick.
They're moving the stuff around so we can get the queue up here with our other queue. We're just trying to find this guy right here so we can move his car. And then once he gets here, we're gonna move up, switch around a little bit. And switch up. Yes, sir. the Lambo back here. I'm not trying to start up. GTR. You gonna put a lamb chop right in the front. We out here now. Yes, sir. Dude, crazy. But those new side skirts definitely hit different.
Right, I understand that, but nobody's gonna do just something on one foot and hold it at 35.
Pearl. Yeah. Parachute's on my back. Yes, sir. I think he might win a trophy this show too. Down. Wide body Benz. That thing look crazy. This one look way faster though. Good God.
Badass Super. I mean that fast Hornet.
Oh, for real?
That yellow one. Look, it's right down the window.
Oh no. Yeah, this is fire.
That goes to David De Silva with the Audi 350Z.
Okay, Shorty. Gotta get that light. I'll see what it say. Top 5. Yes. Lamb chop. Look. Yes, sir. Both got one. Don't play with them. Don't play with them. Top 5, top 5, top 5. Nah, for real, I gotta get a picture of mine on there. Yes, sir. Let's see that mother. Yes. Don't play with that top 5. No cap. Yes, sir. So we finally got a trophy, both of us at the same time. We definitely getting there. Starting to get that more recognition. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. And hopefully we can get some more trophies for the end of the year. But we definitely been doing good these last 2 shows. Last show I got top 25. And this show we at top 5. But yes, sir. Alright guys, so we won another trophy at Clean Edition. We actually didn't even get top 50 cleanest. We got top 5 VIP. That was pretty crazy, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, but we all was in VIP. Me, Caden with the great Q50, he won top 5 with me. And the Huracan, he was there too. But yeah, so it definitely was a great turnout. I didn't really record too many of the builds, but still throw a little video together and let you guys see what I did record. But yeah, it definitely was a good turnout. And yeah, catch you guys next time. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. And hopefully we can stay on this streak. We 2 for 2 right now in the last 2 shows. So, and he got one too, so that's even better. So yeah, we'll definitely catch you guys next time. And let me know what you guys think of the video. See ya!